Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, we are going to describe how to create MS Access database. Uh, First, we have to understand what is a database. So, database is nothing but it is organized collection of interrelated files or data or information of an organization, which can be stored and accessed electronically with the help of a database management system. So we call it a database. For example, we have an organization whose sole business is selling items to the customer. So the data of the customer, order of the customer, and detail of the products will be managed via database management system and be stored electronically into this sale information system. So how we can create a database? We use database management system. And database management system, there are a lot of database management systems, including the simplest one, Microsoft Access, which is a part of the MS Office, MS SQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, DBMS, and SQLite, and so many others. uh, so how we can create this sale information system? If we take an example of the DBMS Microsoft Access, so the step includes we will open the Microsoft Access, then we'll go to the file menu or new, or will directly click on the blank database. Then we will have to enter the name of the database and then select the folder where we want to store this, and then create and clicking the create option, we can create a database. So this is a sample that when you open your MS Access, you can go to the file menu, and here you will see the blank database. And from here, you will have to enter name of the database and the folder where you want to store it, and then we'll create it. So let's go and see it practically, that how it works in MS Access. Uh, so first we want, when we want to uh, create a database and MS Access, so we have to go and open the MS Access application. I'm going here, and by clicking this Microsoft Access 2013, which is installed on my PC, and here we can see that I'm going to open an already existing one or creating a new desktop database. We can also create a web application as well, but here we are focusing on desktop database. And here they are asking me about the name of this database, so I'm putting the name is sale information system. And here I'm showing that where I need to store this database. So within my computer, I have to find the place where I can store this database. So I'm selecting this folder, and then by clicking this create option, we can see that this sale information system database is now created, but this database is empty, and we have not yet created any object or any backend or front end where to store the data and manipulate the data. So in our subsequent lecture, we will have to discuss the within the create option how to create the tables, queries, forms, reports, and macros. So be tuned to the channel and follow the subsequent lectures to understand that how we can organize the data of our organization properly. Thank you.